Right now, AI can write essays, create art, answer questions, maybe even replace your job. But here's the crazy part 70 years ago, AI couldn't even play checkers properly. So, how did we go from dumb machines to something that feels almost human? Let's rewind. 1950. A few scientists sit in a small room and say something insane. What if machines could think? Computers back then were slower than your calculator, yet they predicted smart machines. Everyone laughed. Today, nobody's laughing because they accidentally started a revolution. But the first attempts were embarrassing. Early AI was terrible, like painfully terrible. It could barely solve puzzles. People expected robots. They got math toasters. Money ran out. Projects died. This period got named the AI winter. Yeah, even AI had depression. But then something changed. Something huge. The internet. Suddenly, billions of photos, billions of searches, billions of clicks, data everywhere. And AI finally had food. Because here's the secret: AI doesn't think, it learns patterns. Feed it enough examples, it starts predicting everything, including you. And that's where it gets scary. Show AI a million cat photos, it learns cat. Show it your shopping history, it knows what you'll buy next. It's basically pattern recognition on steroids. Not intelligence, just math, moving insanely fast. But when scientists copied the human brain, things exploded. They built digital brains, tiny fake neurons connected together. Thousands, millions, billions. These networks vote together. Face, voice, pizza. And when networks got bigger, boom, AI started talking, drawing, driving, working, replacing. Which leads to today. Now AI writes code, runs businesses, answers customers, even creates videos. Some companies don't even hire teams anymore, just servers. Zero office, zero staff, just software printing money. And here's the wild part: we're still early. Like 2005 internet early, meaning this wave hasn't even started yet. So here's the real question: will you use AI or compete against someone who does? Because this tech isn't coming, it's already here. If you want to see how AI literally makes companies money while they sleep, watch my video, How AI Makes Money While You Sleep. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll break down the next big tech secret. See you there.